Excuse me. Oh, goodness me. I'm sorry, Gary. Sorry, guys. Oh. You know, to be like a real teacher, I should have sneezed as loud as I possibly could have. That would have been funny. Thank you. Tskangaroo.
It's like that.
Bless you.
Oh, thank you. Oh, goodness. Tskangaroo.
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 Pomu, get the hell back here.
I've been sneezing today.
Wait, whoa.
That variant.
We're only behind Paul.
Oh, god damn.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Indeed.
See, I'm struggling because, like, it would make sense to use the
Yo, there's stuff down here.
It would make sense to use the thing.
Bless you.
Thank you. Oh! Oh!
There's stuff down here. There's something down here. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Okay, now let me see. Let's see. Please. Bless you.
Thank you. How many do we need? We need, oh, we only need, 2. I got, oh, goodness me. Yeah, we need 2 iron bars. Where the fuck can we get iron bars?